Hey, to lock apps on the Realme GT6, first of all, you will have to open settings. Now you will have to start scrolling and you will have to go for the security and the privacy. Then you will have to scroll a little bit and you will have to move for app lock. It's just right here in the special features. So now when you do this, you will have to enable this app lock and set the privacy password. So click here, then tap on the settings and you have to input your 6 digits privacy password. You can also use the different password type, like for example pattern or 4 digits. You can decide. In my case, I'm gonna get 4. Then click to use and repeat one more time. Now you get the security question. You can set recovery via email if you want, if you forget the password, for example. Then click on the right upper corner and now click done. And then I'm gonna set password for my Google Chrome. So tap here. I can additionally use fingerprint to unlock this app. And now when I'm gonna actually open Google Chrome, I will have to input my password or use fingerprint sensor. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.